Well, my dear all audience watching us, we have my I have my two friends, Mr. Prince Raj, and he is going to play a role of a younger brother. Yes. Am I right? And Mr. Aman, he is going to play a role of elder brother. And as we had like in the past, your friend has invited you to come in his birthday, so you need to go but get money and permission from your brother. Feel free to talk loudly but speak with the sound. Okay, actions. Aman, come close. So that it can catch that. Well, okay.
Hey brother, where are you going?
Don't say hey but.
Hello.
You know why? HEY, hey का मतलब होता रे. रे भाई कहाँ जा रहा है? Seriously, no problem. Huh? To the junior, you can say, hey, where are you going? HEY, hey. Hey का मतलब होता है रे. सीधा मीनिंग रे होता है. So, cut it here. Hello, brother.
Hello brother.
Hello.
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I'm working.
Nowhere. Exactly. While speaking, kahin nahi. He understand na? Well, nowhere.
Nowhere.
Sound is not good,
Nowhere.
but nowhere.
Actually brother, I have a work with you.
What work did you have?
Sound is very slow.
What work you have with me?
Repeat once more.
What work you have?
Make a questions.
What work you have with me?
What work do you have
Do you
with me?
What work do you have with me?
Brother, I need some money.
For what?
There is a birthday of my one friend. That's why I need.
If there is birthday of your friend, then he will give the party. Why you need money?
Why do you need money?
Why do you need money?
Exactly. Why do you need money? उसका बर्थडे है, वो पार्टी देगा, उसको पैसा चाहिए. उसका बर्थडे है.
His birthday.
There is.
There is his birthday.
आप फिर से पूरा रिपीट कीजिए, हटा देंगे वहां से.
There is his birthday.
So, उसे पैसा चाहिए.
So he needs money.
तुम्हें क्यों?
Why you?
Superb. Good.
He already giving us party.
Repeat.
He already.
He is already giving us part. दे रहा है ना? Yes.
He is already giving party. But I need to gift him.
जब मैं उसके पार्टी में जाऊंगा तो क्या मैं बगैर कुछ लिए जाऊंगा?
When I will go to the party,
Will I go without taking
without taking
any gift? अच्छा, तो तुमको पार्टी में मतलब उसे गिफ्ट देने के लिए पैसा चाहिए.
Oh, you need money to
Buy a gift.
buy a gift.
Repeat.
You need money to buy a gift for your friend.
Yes bro.
Yes, bro.
Yes bro.
ठीक
How
है.
much money do you want?
Repeat with the sound.
How much money do you want?
I want 2000 rupees.
2000. That is very much.
Sound.
2000. That is very much.
क्या गिफ्ट खरीदेगा जो 2000 रुपया तुमको चाहिए?
What will you buy? What will you,
क्या गिफ्ट तुम खरीदोगे? What gift?
will you buy?
Superb.
What gift will you buy?
That
That
तुम्हें 2000 रुपया चाहिए.
that you need 2000.
Sound.
That you need
2000
That you
rupees.
need 2000.
Bro, yesterday I had gone to the market and I saw a photo album.
Okay.
Yes,
Photo frame.
photo frame.
Am I right? Photo. Girls are better in that to select. Am I right? How do I know? How do I know? Exactly. She is right. She is right. She said your wife has ideas. She is right. Yes. She is a smart girl actually. And you are also. You are not less. Equal. I'm fine.
I want to give him our friend memories with.
So मैं एक फोटो फ्रेम खरीदूंगा जो फ्रेम मुझे पसंद है, जिसका कीमत 1500 रुपया है.
I will buy a photo frame. Its cost is 1500 rupees.
ठीक है,
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं है.
No problem.
मैं तुमको 2000 रुपया दूंगा.
I will give you 2000 rupees.
साउंड.
I will give you 2000 rupees.
लेकिन
But
बर्थडे है कब?
When is his birthday?
Repeat.
When is his birthday?
When is his birthday? ये तो आज ही है,
Today.
यह तो आज ही है. हाँ, this is today only. It नहीं लगा सकते आप. This is
today only.
today only. Okay.
Okay.
तो पार्टी का टाइम क्या है?
What is the time of party?
Sound.
What is the time of party?
He called us at 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Yes.
And कहाँ?
Where?
Sound.
And where?
Where? In Dayal Resort.
Sound.
In Dayal Resort.
At. In not at. Dayal. You know why we use at? We are not going directly in the room. It's open area is there also. Like I'll meet you at Oxbridge, you can say also. But since you are coming inside, so you will say I'll meet you in Oxbridge because it has complete pack room. Otherwise, in the restaurants and all, you get open area also. So when you are going to the dalan, it's not necessary you are going inside. You may be outside having the party. So normally we use at. Yes. So party जो है वो कहाँ है? Dalan Resort. Repeat.
The party he is giving at Dalan Resort.
Resort. हेलो. हाँ. ओके.
Okay.
ठीक है, मैं तुमको 2000 रुपया जाने से पहले ले. तुम 2000 रुपया मुझसे जाने से पहले ले लो.
You will take 2000.
Sound.
You will take 2000 rupees
From me before to go.
before to go.
अभी दे दीजिए ना, गिफ्ट खरीदना है.
Bro, give me now.
Sound.
Bro, give me now.
मुझे गिफ्ट खरीदना है.
I have to buy a gift.
Full grammar is in control putting now. All. But some are less. You might take on prestige. What? Only he, me not? That's why I make all. Okay, yeah, fine.
Okay, I'll give you
Now.
now.
तुम्हारे दोस्त का नाम क्या है लेकिन?
What is your friend name?
Sound.
What is your friend name?
What is your friend's name?
My friend name is Chandan.
More sound.
My friend name is Chandan.
Okay.
चंदन. तुम चंदन को जानते कैसे हो?
How do you know Chandan?
Sound.
How do you know Chandan?
चंदन से तुम मिले कहाँ?
Where will you meet Chandan?
तुमने मिला कहाँ? मिला भी तू.
Where did you meet Chandan?
Very good. Repeat.
Where did you meet Chandan?
हाँ.
Chandan is my classmate and I know him from many years.
For long time.
For long time.
I know him for
Long
long time. कहाँ पढ़ता है? क्या तुम्हारा वो क्लासमेट है? तुम्हारे स्कूल में तुम्हारे साथ है?
Is he your school friend?
Very good. Repeat.
Is he your school friend?
Yes, bro.
Yes, bro. He is my school friend.
He is my school friend.
हम लोग नर्सरी क्लास से साथ में हैं.
We are together with from nursery class.
Repeat.
We are together from nursery class.
तो कभी घर पे नहीं आया? वह अपने घर पे कभी नहीं आया. अगर वो तुम्हारा इतना खास दोस्त है तो कभी घर पे नहीं लाए. अगर वो तुम्हारा इतना खास दोस्त है,
He is your best friend.
सो स्पेशल
So
फ्रेंड,
special friend. If
कभी वो घर पे नहीं आया.
he did not come to our home
एनी टाइम.
anytime.
भाई आप घर पे होते हैं क्या? साउंड.
Bro
भाई हाँ, क्या आप घर पे होते हैं?
is
क्या यू ट्राई दैट यू आर स्पीकिंग. क्या आप घर पे होते हैं?
bro is you at home?
नो. क्या आप घर पे होते हैं? आर यू एट होम एनी टाइम?
Bro, are you at home anytime?
सुबह 7 बजे चले जाते हैं और रात के 10 बजे आते हैं.
You go by 7 a.m. and
सुबह 7 बजे, बाय तक नहीं है, सुबह 7 बजे चले जाते हो.
you go at 7 a.m. and come at 7 p.m.
10 PM.
10 p.m.
तो कौन घर पे आया आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? Who came at the home?
Who came at the home?
आपको कैसे पता चलेगा?
How did you know?
How will you
How will
know?
you know? Chandan has come many times
At the home.
at the home.
आपके अलावा घर के सारे लोग उसे जानते हैं.
In spite of.
नहीं, everyone knows him except you. EXCEPT. Everyone knows him
Everyone knows him except you
in our family.
in our family.
ठीक है.
Okay, okay.
No problem.
No problem.
तो 7 बजे 2,000 रुपया ले लेना मुझसे.
You can take money at 7 p.m.
कैसे?
How?
7 बजे तो आप घर पे रहेंगे नहीं.
You
आप 7 बजे घर पे नहीं रहेंगे.
will not at home.
You will not at home. सही है? क्योंकि will तो आया लेकिन verb नहीं आया. You will not at home. verb अभी तो नहीं आया. हाँ. तो 7 बजे घर पे आप ये खुद बोल लेगा. आप 7 बजे घर पे नहीं रहेंगे.
You will
Not be
not be at
home.
home.
Repeat.
You will not be at home
At 7 p.m.
at 7 p.m.
मैं कैसे पैसा लूंगा?
How I will take money?
मैं नहीं हूं तो क्या हुआ? भाभी तो रहेगी ना. है ना? हंसने की क्या बात है? ये तो नॉर्मल डिस्कशन है. घर पे बात होना ना. हाँ. अगर मैं नहीं हूं तो क्या हुआ?
If I am not at home, what's the problem?
हाँ, भाभी तो है ना.
Sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law is
Sister-in-law is at home.
at home. तुम उससे पैसा ले लेना.
I'll give her money. You can take from him.
Him. Repeat. Mistake can be with anyone. Huh? Yes. Shh. You can take money.
You can take from her.
Ria, you are okay, na? Your brother is not disturbing from the back, na, like this? Okay. Tell me, and I'll beat them. Good. Anything is what is anything? Rizwan, are you taking seriously? I'm just pulling the leg only. Relax, huh? Okay. Yeah. Shh. I know you cannot disturb. She's your sister. Am I right, Ria? Sister. Yeah? Yeah?
Are you in confusion?
No, I'm not in confusion. Your brother, sister, na?
Or I'm a brother?
Where? Rizwan is also?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah, okay. Yeah, guys, can we come back to the practice now? Suman Kumar, can we start? Suman is thinking I'm calling him, he's saying no, sir. Yeah.
I'll give money to sister-in-law. You can take from her.
Sound. Shh.
I'll give money to sister-in-law. You can take money from her.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I will take from her.
Sound.
Thank you so much. I will take from her.
It's okay.
It's okay. Mention not. You are
Well,
brother.
my dear all audience who are watching this video, if you want to continue watching the same type of videos to improve your English, don't forget to
Subscribe.
loudly.
Subscribe.
Yeah, can we all clap for them?